Hello everyone, I'm Marin from Marin Technology and welcome to the first episode of the WordPress series on this channel. So we're going to be talking on what is WordPress and should you learn it. WordPress is a simple and a very popular way to create your own website or blog. In fact, WordPress powers over 43.3% of all the websites on the internet. Yes, more than 1 in 4 websites that you visit are likely powered by WordPress software. On a more technical level, WordPress is a free and open source content management system or CMS written in the PHP programming language and paired with MySQL or MariaDB database. Features include a plugin architecture and a template system referred to within WordPress as themes. WordPress was originally created as a blog publishing system, but has evolved to support other web content types, including business websites, e-commerce stores, blogs, portfolios, resumes, forums, social networks, and much more. So, who made WordPress and how long has it been around? WordPress was released on May 27, 2003 by its founders, American developer Matt Mullenweg and English developer Mike Little. To function, WordPress has to be installed on a web server, either part of an internet hosting service or a computer running the software package wordpress.org in order to serve as a network host in its own right. The next video of the series is going to be a tutorial on how to install WordPress on your own computer, so stay tuned if you're interested in that. Who uses WordPress? WordPress is used by individuals, big businesses, and everyone in between. Lots of well-known entities use WordPress, such as the whitehouse.gov website, Microsoft, who uses WordPress to power its official blog for specific products like Windows and Skype. Even my personal website uses WordPress, marintechnology.com, the link that is in the description. So, entering the final question, should I learn WordPress and not programming or coding? Well, no. WordPress is a really powerful tool, but it cannot replace traditional programming or coding. Don't forget that WordPress in itself is based on the PHP programming language, and if you'd like to modify WordPress themes or plugins, knowledge of PHP is necessary. Also, if you want to change your your website looks like and make some more advanced changes in the software, you also need to know at least some basic HTML and CSS. All in all, WordPress is a really cool tool and a very useful one to get started in creating your own websites and web applications. But WordPress is not such customizable, making it harder to change the software from its core than just creating your own web application. Thanks for watching. Feel free to like and subscribe to make sure you don't miss out on any new content. Also stay tuned for the new WordPress series. As I said previously on the video, the next video will be a tutorial on how to install WordPress on your personal computer. So stay tuned for that if you're interested. I'll see you in the next video. Peace!